Hi guys, welcome back to Renpet Bath Beauty's showroom. For those of you who are new, you probably don't know I have a showroom. So after we pick our giveaway winner, I'm going to do a quick tour so everybody can see what it looks like for spring. Because we've done it throughout the year last year. So anyway, let's get to the giveaway stuff. We have come full circle with our giveaways. Last year we did the summer, we did the fall, and we did the winter, and this is our spring giveaway. So this is going to be the last of the solstice giveaways, but don't you fret, because we're going to do other giveaways. I'd like to give away other products or, dessert soaps or, different things like that. So when those giveaways come around, of course, we'll announce it. And probably have Miss Ava go ahead and let you guys know what it is. So anyway, this is how it works for those of you who are new. I will pick a winner out of this bowl, which is like way too small for all of you, which I am so humbled and grateful for all your love and support. We have a great family here at Renpet Bath Beauty. But I'm going to put this into Ava's popcorn bowl when we're ready. So, and then I pick a winner. If you're a content creator, I will contact you through your YouTube page. But if you are not a content creator, then my email address is in the description box below, so you can contact me. Because I want to get your soap to you, your pick of soaps, as soon as possible. So, let's go over the soaps really quick. You're good. Well, this way. You're going to be able to see them in the corner without the packaging. So this is One-on-One, which is scented in a dupe of Jovan Musk for women. And then we have Say It Isn't So, which is scented in white gardenia. And then we have Kisses on My List, which is scented in a fragrance called Honeymoon Romance, which is just amazing. And we have You Make My Dreams Come True, which is scented in Sweet Pea. So we need a drum roll here pretty soon. Let me pour these very carefully in here so we don't get any lost ones on the floor. Okay, I'm gonna put my glasses on so I can read everything. I look like a teacher, don't I? Okay, I'm gonna keep my eyes closed. I'm in a great mood, so I'm gonna sing. Even though, my singing voice is less to be desired. Okay, we've got one. We've got one. All right, you ready? Oh, wait. Tavita Handcrafted Soaps. You won our Spring Solstice Giveaway. That's fantastic. So I will go ahead and I will contact you, and you can pick one of our Spring Solstice soaps. I will send it to you. And I also like to send samples of the other 3 soaps, so it's quite fantastic. And guys, I am so thankful for all your love and support. Let me take these off because, I look like a teacher. You can see myself on the screen. So anyway, I'm so thankful for you guys. You guys are so great. I love the interaction that we have, and I appreciate you all. So you guys have a great day, and I'm looking forward, and you can look forward to our next giveaway. Bye-bye. Okay guys, here is our spring tour. As you know, I have this great little flower box that I put all my spring flowers in, and I've got eggs. Sorry about the little bit of glare. So I love doing these. Ava helped me. She helps me every year. And here is our display. We have our flowers on each side, and these are all of our solstice soaps, our spring solstice soaps. We have the flowers, and I have my little Easter egg. Let's go slow so we don't make anybody sick. Okay, this is our Osiris Cabinet. This has all of our men's soaps in it. Oh, this glare is terrible, but we have all of our stuff on there. I always keep my spring solstice soaps on the corner of the Osiris Cabinet as well. We have all our scrubs. You guys saw me make that lavender scrub. This is one of our Isis cabinets. And I still have all of my body butter samples out here for customers to come. We have our spring face. And on our other Isis cabinet, boy, that glare is getting going away. Boy, if I could speak English today. And we have all of our dessert soaps. And this little tree, it's an Easter tree. Isn't that adorable? It's got little bunnies on it and eggs and stuff, little chickadees. And our dessert soaps, we got another Easter egg. Let's back up. Oh, you're gonna see my chair and my TV tray from my, we just did the giveaway. So our Hawthorne and Raw cabinet has our little Easter sign on it. And we have our flowers and stuff and the love sign up with our samples. And then we have our All Bunnies Welcome sign. And this is our Tough Knit and Shoe cabinet. See, now we're getting dark because we're getting deeper into the into the showroom. We have our bath salts and all the paintings on the wall. For all of you that are new, I'm a painter, and I've done these. It's pretty great. I love painting. It's very relaxing. So our tomb cabinet, and look guys, I got a filing cabinet. I'm so excited. Of course, you know, I don't really ever decorate my desk because I do so much on it. But this next thing, I am so very proud of you guys. Look at that. There's our spring window. I'm so proud of it. I'm telling you, I can't even believe how beautiful it is. Let's get you a closer look. We got our flowers, and as you can see, I painted the windows. Well, technically they're dollar store picture frames, glued together to look like a window. So I do these for every year. The last one I'm gonna have to do is our summer one. So we'll have to do a summer tour as well, because my daughter always goes overboard with decorations. So okay guys, I hope you had a good time watching this, and congratulations to Davita Handcrafted Soaps. I'm so excited for the giveaway. So I will see you guys on Friday.